Hi! In front of me is FOSSIBOT F101 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access notifications. Now click on App Settings at the top. Select Most Recent and tap on the best option for you. In my case, Most Frequent. Now just click on the switcher, in this case a pink one, next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. You can switch them back on by choosing the same now gray switcher. You can also just tap on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!